Hi everyone, it's Allison Ruth here, and once again I'm sewing in my trifocals. Tonight is my first edition of What Arrived in the Mail. And as you can see, I have a sewing machine LED kit that I'm going to unbox and attempt to install on my Singer sewing machine. Many of you have seen my other videos. You see me moving the desk lamp and the floor lamp around all the time so that I can see and also so I can film. And I thought, well, this is dumb. So I was looking through the Nancy's Notions catalog, and this was in there for about 30 bucks, I think. So I thought I'd give it a whirl, and we'll see if I can actually put it on the sewing machine. So unboxing is a big deal on the internet these days. So I have here my handy dandy box cutter. Here we have assembly instructions, 6 wire clips, an LED panel strip, an on-off dimmer switch, and a power adapter. So that sounds complicated. Let's see what's in here. Okay, here are the lovely, oh my, instructions. This looks a little bit more complicated than I thought it would be. Let's see what happens. Here's the switch. Here are the actual lights, which are going to go under your sewing machine. So before I stick them on, I might plug them in and see, you know, where to put them. And here's the power adapter, all in a nice shade of putty white. And here we have, oh, wire clips. Okay, they're for clipping the wire. Okay. I thought there were clips made out of wire for installing that LED thingy. Actually, the LED thingy has 3M sticky stuff on the back. This may not be as awful as I originally anticipated, so that's good. Let me go get my trusty sewing machine. Whoops! Of course, I knocked down my camera there. It's actually a phone. I'm going to say, anyway, that the instructions say that the first thing you need to do while your machine is unplugged is kind of clean the areas where you might be sticking those 3M sticky foam thingies that are on the back of various parts of this. This here I just learned that I'm cleaning right now is called the harp. I guess it looked more like a harp in the old-fashioned type of sewing machines. This really doesn't look like a harp, but I'm going to clean off the back here because I think that's where the switch and the wire clips are going to go. Or something like that. So now I'll kind of dry it off a little bit. Let it evaporate. They show rubbing alcohol in the picture, and it's a pretty good degreaser. I just plugged this light in. It's very, very bright. It has a dimmer. Let me see if I can get that to work. Yeah, see, look, you can turn it up and down. This is the dimmer switch, and you can detach the wire from the rest of it when you're storing or traveling with your machine. So let's say I put this, well, that is very nice. I can just put it smack in the middle of there, and it will really light up my machine. I think this was a worthwhile purchase. Oops, turn the machine around so I can see the back. And I guess I'll just put this right in the middle here. If I can get the, trying to get this stuff off. I just cut my fingernails. I decided I was tired of long fingernails, and I wish I had them now. There, I just got it off. I'm going to just mount it right in the middle here. Maybe like that. So that it gives the most light right here. Okay, I'm going to plug it back in. There you go. Wow, boy, that really lights things up. Now, if I turn it to the right, let's see here how bright it is. It looks brighter in real life. Turn it to the left. you can see the brightness goes down some. So there you go. Now what I have to do is place some clips up here, and then the installation is complete. So looks like a good product. Looks like I ordered something good that's going to help me not have to move my lamps around so much. Happy sewing, everybody, and I'll talk to you next time.